One time for my girl in the H-Town. Big body, I'ma take down. And two time for my girl who the way you. Mashingo Gueru Muriseko. Girl, you drive me.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I know I've had to go that 6 a.m. I was calling, guys.
I need maybe around 3 a.m. 4 a.m. Yeah. Just say that day. Okay.
What?
Uno penga. Uno penga.
They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name.
And we're back with another video. It's your boy LKZan and I'm here with KC. Alright, so guys, today we're gonna be reacting to Calling Anti Pungwe Sessions featuring Rhymes, Amara Brown, ASAP, and Silent
Whatever.
Yeah, but the song is called Calling. And yeah, I'm so excited to hear this. It's a new collab. I haven't heard ASAP and Amara Brown, man. I believe this is gonna be crazy, guys. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yes, sir. Alright, so guys, this track came out today, made 5 hours ago, and I'm so excited to hear this. I wanna hear the vocals. Vocals I can run now. Nah, man. Nigga that. Yeah, nigga. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yes, sir.
It's on. One time for my girl in the H-Town. Big body, I'ma take down. And two time for my girl who the way you. Mashingo Gueru Muriseko. Girl, you drive me crazy.
No, one time from I will pull.
It's on. One time for my girl in the H-Town. Big body, I'ma take down. And two time for my girl who the way you. Mashingo Gueru Muriseko. Girl, you drive me crazy. Calling you at 6 in the morning. You drive me crazy.
But like, I'm better, baby. On the phone at 6
p.m.
6 a.m.
6 a.m. Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Guys, comment down below, guys. I know I've had to go that 6 a.m. I was calling, guys.
I need maybe around 3 a.m. 4 a.m. Yeah. Just say that day. Okay.
What?
Drive me crazy, calling you at 6 in the morning.
Calling, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Don't call me. That's what I'm talking about. Calling. Yeah.
Drive me crazy, calling you at 6 in the morning. You drive me crazy, calling you at 6 in the morning.
Calling, yeah. Calling, yeah. Calling, yeah. Talking about all of you, yeah. Calling, yeah. Calling, yeah. Calling, yeah. Talking about all of you, yeah. Getting from you like a bat. Your kiss, give me some of that. Swooning from you, that's a fact. Your kiss, talking about some of that. You know my love like bitches. You know your presence a gift. You keep all your promises. So get up all of you. Doing the dance when your text comes in. Doing the dance when your call comes in. Doing the dance when you're walking in. So get up all of you.
One time for my girl in the H-Town. Big body, I'ma take down. And two time for my girl who the way you. Mashingo Gueru Muriseko. Girl, you drive me crazy. Calling you at 6 in the morning. You drive me crazy. Calling you at 6 in the morning.
Calling, yeah. Calling, yeah.
This this combination is too much.
It's too much.
It's too much.
What's the?
Because
the beat cut.
The beat cut. Ace comes with the hook, yeah. Amaro Vadi finish him.
I don't want.
Bah! R&O. Guys, come on.
Calling, soaking up all of you. Calling, calling, soaking up all of you.
My type from the waist down, texting nighttime, then we FaceTime. Love me right now. Type from the waist down.
I had to remove the hoodie for that. When then?
My type from the waist down, texting nighttime.
Betting. My type from the waist down.
Waist down. Okay.
We FaceTime, love me right now. Never waste time on me. Control of your waistline. You drive me crazy. Body like a Bentley. I'ma love you if you let me. You drive me crazy. I'ma run with you sexy. Yeah, hey, just put your trust in the lion, baby. I love you long. In the club when I'm feeling your booty bounce along. Put your trust in the lion, baby. I love you long. H7 on another one. Come on, time for my girl in the H-Town. Big body, I'ma take down.
The body like a Bentley.
Shaman.
Like a Bentley, not a Benz. A Bentley. A Bentley.
Bentley coupe.
Woo.
Bound for my girl, Buluweyo. My sugar girl, Muriseko. Girl, you drive me crazy. You drive me crazy. Calling you at 6 in the morning. You drive me crazy. You drive me crazy. Calling you at 6 in the morning.
That was dope. Shout out to ASAP, shout out to Mara, shout out to everyone who was in the song. I don't know, but shout out to them though. That was a dope song.
Shout out.
I hope we hear more collabs between these two artists, Amara and ASAP. We definitely need to have more of those. But yeah.
Tag team, man.
Come on, that was a banger. It's got a vibe, it's got a nice slow vibe to it that you can drive to, you know.
Yeah.
You know, like
vibes.
Exactly. But yeah, that's it for the reaction. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy LK and I'm here with
KC.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hey, hey, Sash, look, good vibe, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They're gonna be calling my name, hey. They're gonna be calling my name, hey. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be, yeah.